Did you guys wash those first? Yes. You didn't wash those? Girls, Uncle A.
Okay. Okay.
You still did something me,
Hey.
The duck swim with her breath. When your belly rises, you are inhaling air. When your belly rises, you are exhaling air. When you breathe, tail up.
Hey, you can't be on your tippy toes. You have to do feet.
Heel down, Uncle RJ.
Yeah, heel down.
I'm trying.
Come down and rest like you're into the earth. Lift one leg and place it as high up as you can. Bring the palm of your hands
Avery,
together.
stop.
Now you're balancing like a tree.
Can you guys balance like a tree?
No.
Sit on your heels with your sharp right.
Go get them in your room, but that's it.
Bend your body in half. Easy. And hang your head and arms down. Feel the back of your legs hands and feet apart. Turn your feet to the side. Imagine a line from the arch of one foot to the heel of your other foot.
So good at it.
Come up and do the triangle.
You're not good at it.
Keep your shoulders relaxed. Do the warrior pose one more time.